This is what most people never get to see. The heart of a Lamborghini Murciélago from the underside.
One cool death and a plugger. Said he got top shelf, okay boss, the plug's one sneaky fucker. If I put ink on a paper...
Every arm, every bush, and every bolt has been zinc plated, vapor blasted, and powder coated, and brought back to life.
She said that I linked her a couple of times, but the gal didn't get no contact. Ginger there with a cognac.
Lamborghini never built these cars to be perfect underneath. They were raw, hand assembled, and full of character. That's what makes bringing this one back like this so special.
You at the party and fuck that I drank too much juice. Come link man in the alley, I said say nothing, I'ma be there soon. Apple Henny mixed with a soda, I might split that with a crew.
From front to rear, this Murciélago is no longer just a broken supercar we dragged into the workshop. It's becoming something greater than new. And this is only the beginning of what's to come.
Tuesday cut a couple snakes this year, car 2024, I'm trying to go clear. L's, runts, T's, shut down the stew when the Mandem are here. I mix lemon up with a beer on my tunes, them top, but I don't touch gear. I'm due to blow with the labels, no right now, got A and I was up in my ear.
Too much tech when I rap, they said go slow, I could do that too. I was looking at you at the party and fuck that I drank too much juice. Come link man in the alley, I said say nothing, I'ma be there soon. Apple Henny mixed with a soda, I might split that with a crew.
It's only right that the boy then pop, could have see been dishing out heat non-stop. Take a toke of my weed and I'm off. Kilo, lem, slip that on the rocks. Prof, what a man stay chasing. I'm bull cat like Jason.
You food in the bed.
So finally, after finishing the rear suspension in the last episode, we're beginning to put the front together, but not without some difficulty.
No, I just waited you.
And here comes our first hurdle.
I'm going to be really annoyed if I broke it. I don't see how I would have done that.
So somehow one of the rubbers on the front wishbone ball joints has split. So for now, we're just going to move on to the other side and forget that it exists.
Bokeh.
Look at that.
Shiny.
Worth more than your entire living room.
Why do they go to extent of polishing that side?
I don't know. It's nice though, isn't it?
I know, it'd be good, even better if it's like etched. Little Lamborghini.
Oh, imagine if it was machine.
But before we fit the front suspension, Nuno sprays a little bit of Stana Gloss quick detail in the wheel arch liner.
Man's out here spraying product like it's free. For the carbon, can you see it? For the haters, there's your carbon inner arch.
After his rambling, me and Jake decide to fix the rubber gator on this ball joint. We managed to find some expired super glue hidden in the corner of the workshop, but it didn't seem to really work.
The other one was like nice and tight and didn't spin.
As you can see here.
Not now, but I'm about to sacrifice.
What is it?
It's just
I genuinely think there's a problem with that boot because the split is getting bigger and bigger and bigger.
Yeah, you to begin with, and now it's double. Super glue is a beautiful thing. So once it's on, we'll actually get some fresh super glue and let it
Actually,
So we decided to carry on and fit it and sort it out at a later date once it was on the car. So with that being said, it's time to actually fit these parts to the car.
hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We're back in the workshop with the Lamborghini Murciélago.
You're an idiot, bro.
We fitted and tightened up the drive shaft nut first because that seemed to be the easiest way. And with great difficulty, finally slid in those freshly powder coated wishbones.
washer on first.
What do you mean get the washer on?
Now I can move it. I've got washers to put in. Washers.
Go on then. In and out, in and out, in and out.
Yeah.
Who's your daddy? Who's your
This.
With a little dance break in between, next, Jake tightened up the track rod ends before moving on to the other side to start the process from the beginning. And the other side wasn't any easier. Well, he makes it look difficult anyway.
Oh, this Waymo. What the f***'s Waymo?
Nuno starts on the left side where Jake's just finished, fitting the rest of the components to the hub. The discs and calipers are on, and Jake starts fitting parts to the hub on the right hand side as well. The shocks will be fitted later, but for now, I know you guys want to see what E88s look like on the front. The front shocks were, let's just say, a bit of a battle. But now they're in, it's worth pausing for a moment to reflect on what's been achieved here. We're more used to kicking life back into old, rusty BMWs, so taking on a legendary Murciélago was never going to be straightforward. But with vapor blasting, raptor coating, zinc plating and powder coating, we've managed to bring this car back to a state that feels somehow better than new. It was certainly more involved than we first imagined, yet that's part of the charm. The long evenings in the workshop, the conversations, the laughter, the little moments that quietly build into memories. And out of all of that, we now have something not just to be proud of, but to enjoy for many years to come. I want to guess TDC will get to drive it as well.
The frame. Oh, that's so much nicer with two-man. Human, man. Oh.
Goodbye, Lamborghini.
Lamborghini?
You sad?
What are you doing?
Don't do that, you've got no PPF. Oh, it's on the wheel.
Yeah. I know. Good car. I like it. It's covered in shit though.
Yeah, we'll,
gonna need such a good-
send it to someone.
Cam needs to come up and do a wash. You're so boom. Let's get outside in the sun.
Oh yeah, let's do that.
It's a Lamborghini, blood. Oh, look, there's something you can sit on. Right, I hate the handbrake on this. Is that it off? We're not rolling.
Oi, it works. Welcome back to the channel where we're back at Coombe and Peter doesn't want to be here. He hates it so much.
I'm getting a new hobby.
But yeah, we're gonna set a faster lap time with Peter. Look at him over there. We're gonna set a faster lap time today.
I need a coffee.
I mean, I don't really care as long as you're like using this oil.
We're using the oil, don't you worry.
We're using the oil, that's fine. That's all we care about. We're just here to do 2 track days.
Yeah, 2 track days.
You can go as fast as you want. We're lucky enough to have a chance to go out in.
Everything's full spherical,
Yeah.
so yeah, it's basically as stiff as it
it can be.
It's always, if I'm honest, probably for Coombe, it's probably a little bit too stiff.
Yeah. If you're wondering why I'm in the fleece, you need to stop covering your arms and legs today, and all I had was a fleece, so. You really don't like that, do you?
No, I hate it.
Yeah, the brakes are ridiculous. Oh, it's got so much grip. Oh, it rotates. It rotates. 1 minute 12. Just 1 minute 12. 1 minute 12, just like that. Yeah.